important is your health to you? Really think about it. Your health is your most valuable asset. But without your health, life becomes a struggle. Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you? It's more about your mind than your body. Today we're diving deep into the world of weight loss success. Richard, the author of You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This, knows this struggle firsthand. He battled his weight for years, tipping the scales at 224 pounds. He tried every diet and exercise plan imaginable. Richard knew there had to be a better way.
I was stuck in a cycle, trying everything but never seeing lasting results.
Richard was at a breaking point. He was tired of the yo-yo dieting, the failed gym memberships, the constant feeling of defeat. One day, he looked in the mirror and barely recognized the person staring back at him. He felt trapped inside a body that didn't feel like his own. He avoided social situations, feeling self-conscious and uncomfortable. Simple tasks like climbing stairs or tying his shoes left him breathless and exhausted. He needed to find a solution, a permanent one.
I realized that I had to change my approach. It was about how I saw myself and my relationship with my body.
Richard began to research the science behind weight loss, particularly the role of the subconscious mind. He learned that the subconscious is a powerful force, controlling our habits, behaviors, and even our responses to food. His conscious mind desired weight loss, setting goals and making plans. But his subconscious mind, riddled with negative beliefs about himself and his ability to change, was working against him.
My subconscious mind was holding me back. It was filled with negative beliefs and associations that I wasn't even fully aware of.
These deeply ingrained beliefs, formed over years of negative self-talk and failed attempts, were sabotaging his efforts. Richard understood that until he addressed these subconscious beliefs, he would continue to struggle.
Richard's research led him to the work of renowned psychologists, self-help gurus, and experts in the field of neuroscience. He learned about the power of visualization, affirmations, and the impact of writing down goals. He realized that if he could convince his subconscious mind that he was already slim, healthy, and in control of his eating habits, his body would eventually follow suit. He began to experiment with different techniques, eager to break free from the chains of his negative self-image.
This realization was a breakthrough for Richard.
He started with small changes, incorporating visualization exercises into his daily routine. He would close his eyes and vividly imagine himself at his ideal weight, feeling confident, energetic, and healthy. He started using affirmations, repeating positive statements about his body and his ability to make healthier choices. At first it felt strange, almost silly to be speaking to himself in this way, but he was determined to rewire his thinking, to replace years of negativity with empowering beliefs. Richard could feel a shift within him, a glimmer of hope that this time things would be different. The first step in Richard's four-step method is the imagination method. It's all about harnessing the power of your mind to create your desired reality. Richard discovered that our minds are incredibly powerful tools. What we focus on, we attract. What we believe becomes our reality. It's about training your mind to see the possibility of a slimmer, healthier you. All right, I want you to close your eyes and create a mental picture of yourself at your goal weight. Don't just think about it, feel it.
Imagine yourself slipping into your favorite pair of jeans, the ones that haven't fit in years. Visualize yourself catching your reflection in the mirror and smiling, genuinely happy with what you see.
Picture the compliments from friends and family, the surge of energy you feel, the newfound confidence radiating from within.
Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch in this ideal version of yourself?
The more you immerse yourself in this mental picture, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. Remember, your subconscious doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined.
By repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you're essentially reprogramming your mind to believe it's possible. This shift in belief is crucial because it paves the way for real, lasting change.
As you consistently practice the imagination method, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your behaviors and choices. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but does it really work? Well, there's actually scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of visualization.
Studies have shown that when we visualize ourselves performing an action, the same neural pathways in our brains are activated as if we were actually performing that action. This is why athletes use visualization to improve their performance.
By mentally rehearsing their movements, they're essentially training their muscles and preparing their minds for success.
By consistently visualizing ourselves at our ideal weight, we're sending powerful signals to our brains that this is our new reality. Now let's move on to the second step in Richard's transformative journey, the affirmation method.
Remember how I discovered that the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between imagination and reality? Well, it also readily accepts the information it's repeatedly exposed to, especially through the words we tell ourselves. This is where affirmations come in.
Affirmations are positive statements that describe a desired outcome or state of being. When we repeat affirmations consistently, with conviction and feeling, we gradually start to believe them, and our actions begin to align with these new beliefs. Think about it. How often do you engage in negative self-talk? Do you criticize your body, doubt your abilities, or tell yourself you'll never lose weight? These negative thoughts, often deeply ingrained from past experiences or societal conditioning, create a self-fulfilling prophecy. They keep us stuck in a cycle of self-sabotage, preventing us from achieving our goals. Richard emphasizes the importance of crafting affirmations that resonate deeply with you.
Start by identifying the negative thoughts or beliefs that are holding you back from achieving your weight loss goals. Then, reframe those negative statements into positive, present-tense affirmations.
The key is to choose words that feel good, uplifting, and believable to you. Section 4. Repetition is key. Remember, consistency is crucial when it comes to affirmations.
I suggest incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. You can write them down in a journal, recite them in front of the mirror, or even record yourself saying them, and listen to the recording throughout the day.
As you repeat your affirmations, really feel the emotions associated with achieving your desired outcome. Richard's third step, the written method, might seem surprisingly simple in the age of digital everything.
This method is about taking your weight loss goals from your mind and making them tangible, concrete, and real. It's about creating a physical manifestation of your commitment to yourself.
Remember, the subconscious mind thrives on clarity and repetition. By writing down your goals, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious that you're serious about making a change.
This act of writing engages different parts of the brain than simply thinking about your goals.
When you write down your goals, you're also creating a sense of accountability.
I recommend finding a dedicated notebook or journal specifically for your weight loss journey. This becomes a sacred space where you can track your progress, celebrate your wins, and work through any challenges that arise along the way.
This daily ritual keeps you focused, accountable, and connected to your why. The written method isn't just about setting goals. It's also about tracking your progress.
I encourage you to use your journal to record your daily food intake, your exercise routine, and even your measurements.
By tracking your progress, you become more aware of your habits and patterns.
You can identify triggers for unhealthy eating, notice positive changes in your body composition, and celebrate even the smallest victories along the way.
Section 4. Celebrating milestones.
Don't forget to use your journal to celebrate your milestones. Whether it's losing a certain amount of weight, fitting into a smaller size, or simply feeling more energetic and confident, take the time to acknowledge and appreciate your progress. Write down how you feel, what you've learned about yourself, and what you're most proud of.
These positive reflections serve as powerful reminders of your strength, resilience, and commitment to your health. Richard's fourth and final step, the recording and listening method, might seem like an unusual addition to a weight loss program.
But this method taps into the incredible power of our own voices, using them as tools for transformation. Think about it. We spend all day listening to ourselves in our heads, often filled with negative self-talk and limiting beliefs.
By recording and listening to our own affirmations, goals, and positive self-talk, we're essentially flooding our subconscious minds with the beliefs and thoughts we want to embody. Once you have your list, find a quiet space where you can record yourself reading them aloud. Speak slowly and clearly, putting emphasis and emotion into your words. All right, let's start by writing down a list of affirmations, goals, and positive statements related to your weight loss journey. As you record, visualize yourself at your ideal weight, feeling healthy, confident, and proud of yourself. Imagine you're talking to a dear friend who needs encouragement and support. Once you've created your recordings, listen to them regularly throughout the day. You can listen while you're commuting, exercising, doing chores, or even just relaxing at home. The key is to make listening to your recordings a consistent part of your daily routine.
As you listen, really focus on the words and allow them to sink into your subconscious mind. Don't just passively listen in the background. Actively engage with the messages you're hearing. Repeat the affirmations to yourself, visualize your goals, and allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with achieving your desired outcome.
You might be surprised at how quickly this method can shift your mindset. By consistently exposing yourself to positive, empowering messages in your own voice, you'll start to notice changes in your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. You'll find yourself making healthier choices, feeling more motivated, and believing in your ability to succeed. Section 4. Consistency is key. Just like with the other steps in Richard's method, consistency is key to maximizing the effectiveness of the recording and listening method.
The more you listen to your recordings, the more deeply ingrained those positive messages become in your subconscious mind. Over time, those messages will begin to override any negative self-talk or limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. You'll start to see yourself in your weight loss journey in a whole new light, filled with possibility, hope, and unwavering self-belief.
The recording and listening method might seem simple, even unconventional, but it's a powerful reminder that we all possess an inner voice capable of guiding us towards our goals. Richard Trillion's story is a testament to the power of the mind in achieving weight loss success. His 4-step method, imagination, affirmation, written and recording and listening, provides a holistic approach to transforming not just the body, but also the mind.
It emphasizes that true and lasting change starts from within. By harnessing the power of visualization, positive self-talk, and consistent action, individuals can break free from limiting beliefs and create a new reality for themselves.
Richard's journey reminds us that weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's a deeply personal journey that requires understanding, patience, and self-compassion. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's how we choose to respond to those challenges that ultimately determines our success. By embracing the 4-step method, we equip ourselves with the mental tools needed to navigate the ups and downs of weight loss, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and learning. Section 2. Your journey to wellness. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. It's an investment worth making every single day.
Richard's story serves as an inspiration to anyone who has ever struggled with their weight, proving that transformation is possible with the right mindset and tools. By incorporating the imagination, affirmation, written, and recording and listening methods into your own life, you too can unlock the power within and embark on a journey of lasting weight loss and overall well-being.
The journey might not be easy, but it's undoubtedly worth it. As you begin to see and feel the positive changes in your body and mind, you'll realize that the greatest reward is not just fitting into a smaller pair of jeans, but rather the sense of empowerment, self-love, and vitality that comes from taking control of your health and creating a life you truly love. Remember, you have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams of a healthier, happier you. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Pause 3S. Remember, the journey to wellness is a continuous path. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. We believe in you and are here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more inspiring stories and helpful tips with you. Together, we can achieve greatness. Pause 3S. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.